Here's a quick tutorial on my DIY canvas art for my living room. I got this stretched canvas from Hobbycraft. This is 127 centimeters by 100 centimeters, and I also got some oil paints from Hobbycraft. I stuck with just the brown and white just to kind of keep it neutral, as my living room decor is quite neutral. I drew out some lines just to kind of guide what I want for each section, and I just started painting. You can be really creative in this stage. I used some wall paints also for like the base, just to ensure that it has different effects. Yeah, and I just stuck to quite neutral paintings, and here's the finished product. I'm also gonna frame this canvas and hang it on my wall in my living area. I'll show you a video of how I created the frames for this, but this total cost was only £30.